guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. My name is Donnie and this is my channel. I have basically had diamond painting take over my life. It is a very big part of my life now, and it has been for going on 5 years now. So what I'm going to do today is give you the scoop. Okay, the company Wizardi that you know, or you may not know, is a company in Europe. I can't tell you exactly the name of the company, the country, because I don't remember. But they have a distribution in the United States. Well, the United States Wizardi is breaking off from Wizardi in Europe. And so the Wizardi in the United States is being rebranded as Crafting Spark. And so if you still see Wizardi, that's okay, because Wizardi is still company over in Europe. But in the United States, the person that created the company, he's broken off to his own sub contract division, or not sub, but he's broken off. Anyway, Wizarding in the United States is being rebranded to Crafting Spark. And the person that I've been working with from the beginning is that person that is going to be changing everything, or not changing, but making Wizardy's new brand in the United States as Crafting Spark. The difference is that the original designs from Wizardi Europe do not come over, but he still has the patent on. I don't know if he has the whole patent, or if he's able to use the patent, or how it works on the charms. And so there's going to be all new designs for the charms that are available in the United States that won't be available from Wizardi in Europe. So the ones in the United States are going to be exclusive to the United States, and they are branded as Crafting Spark. And he sent me a bunch to show you because he wants to start getting this out there. Now, I'm going to put it to the side because there's a bunch in here. I didn't realize there were so many. All right. All right, so let's dig in and see what we got. All right, so this kind of looks like one that they had before. Maybe he's just changing a little bit of the design, but here's a gingerbread man. And if you don't know about, Wizardy charms, I will show you. See, the packaging is just a little bit different because it's now Crafting Spark. And this is Crafting Spark wood, whatever. Just because these are wooden charms. They're great for, ornaments, or everyday thing, just charms that you can hang from your anything. You hang them from anywhere. You may get them into keychains or whatnot, but this is how they work. And I was checking to see if they come with, yes, they do come with a stand and a string, so you can hang the string from the top. But this is the base right here. It's wood, and it's got all your symbols on it. You can, let's see if I with my camera. There we go. So you can see all the symbols that are on there. It's got the hole at the top for the string that it does come with. And as you can see, it's blank. It says wood on the back, so you know it's wood. They do have the production date on here, which is really cool. That I love that they do those kind of things. And here's your chart. So there's only 4 colors, 4 symbols, and it looks like the white is actually an AB. Because they have a P after it, I was just assuming that's what that is, and I just looked, and it sure is. And so what you do is you take this is your double-sided adhesive right here, and you're going to want to not pull off the part that says crown, because that's your cover. You're going to want to pull this piece off the back carefully. And make sure you're not pulling off the front piece, because it's kind of hard to tell at first when you first pull it off. But I can see this is no sticky on it. So I'm pulling it off the right way. So you just, come on, there we go. Pull it off like so. And then you line it up on your doodad. Now I'm not at a great angle, but you want to make sure you get it right the first time. So there we go. Perfect. And so now you have your little diamond painting. Your little diamond painting charm. And these come out great. I have one that I've done, and it's packed still. I do have some of the old Wizardi charms in my store, and I think I'm going to put those on closeout, because, like I said, their Wizardi charms are no longer going to be. They're still going to be available in Europe, but I'm not going to be ordering those, because I'm just going to be ordering the stuff from the United States, and those won't be available. So I'm going to probably do a closeout sale on them or something. Okay, so what you do then is, like any diamond painting, you peel off your cover here somewhere on one of these corners. I will get it. I just did my nails and I don't want to chip them. Not being kind. I did do it right. I know I did. So there we go. I got a corner. There we go. So then you, just like any other diamond painting, you pull it back and you drill away. Oh wait, camera's over here. Yeah. So there's only 4 symbols, so it's really not hard to tell which symbol's what. All right. So there's the canvas. And here are your drills. So you can see the 4 colors. There's a couple orange colors here and a black. And then the white AB 5200 right there. And they're square. And they also come with a drill pin, a tray, wax, and a magnet, because you could also use them as fridge magnets, and then a stand. That's what this thing is right here, the wooden stand, and then a string. So you have 3 different choices on how you can display your charm when you're done. And let me show you the stand, how it works, and then I can go ahead and show you all the other designs. So I'm just guessing here, but pretty sure you just go like that, and then you stick your little guy in here like that, and you can sit on your desk or whatever you want to do with them. But that's how the stand works. You might be able to, yeah, stick it on that end too, if it's a smaller one. Yeah, so it's got a double-sided stand for it. So yeah, they pretty versatile on what you can do with them. And then here's the magnet. You could just, there's the one side, and there's the side with the sticky. Put it right where it says wood. Sorry if I'm out of screen, because I'm in a different camera position and I can't see my screen very well. Yeah, so there you go. You put that on there, and then you can magnetize it to whatever you would like. Okay, let me magically get this swept up and put away, and I will start showing you the other designs. Oh, and if anyone was wondering about this is just one of those absorption packs because of the fact that there's wood in here. They don't want it to end up, getting a bunch of moisture in here and ruining the wood. So that's what that's in there for. Okay, let's see what our next one is. We've got, ooh, a pretty owl. Looks like it's got some purplish colors to it. And I'll tell you if it's got ABs because it has a little thing on here that tells you. Here we've got a koala. Can you see them? There. And then, what else do we have? Oh, we have a dinosaur. And a skater boy. Spelled skater. And what else? Oh, a boxing kangaroo. That's cute. You can tell they spell it the way they would in Europe with the C. What else do we have? Oh, we got a Viking warrior. That one's got a lot of colors to it. And then we have a smart fox. So far, it looks like the only one with ABs is the gingerbread man. So far. Oh, that one's pretty. A bonsai tree. And you can always swap out your any of these colors with ABs or something that you have left over. And then we got a choo-choo train. So these are great for kids, especially, or for somebody who's just trying out squares for the first time, because it's such a small area and it gives a good practice field for how to get those squares put on just perfectly. If that's the way you are like I am, I have to get my squares on just perfect. So that is a small canvas to work with. I mean, this might not be a first timer try, but something like the owl or the dinosaur, there's not a lot of colors and it's not a lot of confetti. It's got a good color blocking. Same with the little skater boy here. This looks pretty good for a first timer. And even the koala and the owl. Only one I really see that could possibly be a little difficult would be the Viking warrior here. But as for everything else, they look pretty simple and quick and easy to do. I could actually just whip this one out here for you on camera, and I'll speed it up and just I could time it to see how long it takes me, and yeah, we'll go from there. So let me magically clean this up and I will get started. Okay, so here we go. we have it. Mr. Gingerbread is all done. And look how sparkly it is. You can see those AB drills with that special coating. So pretty. Oh, I did miss one. Oops. Let's get that one in real quick. And now we're done. So I will put the time up on the screen as far as how long it took me to do. I had to pause a few times to let my hand rest because these pink pins are not that comfortable to use, and I normally don't use them, but I just wanted to use what was in the kit here, all except for the tweezers. Those were ones that I had myself, and if you were looking for tweezers, I have many different colors in my shop. They are linked down below. And so that is that. Let me put my little magnet on here and we will be good to go. I might even just use it as a cover minder, but like I said, I am going to use what came with it. So I will put this magnet on there just to show you how it goes. Just take the white cover off. I'll stick it right here over the word wood. Press down hard. And I don't know, it kind of looks like there's a silver cover over, or a plastic cover over the magnet too, but it's probably there for the protection of whatever you put it on. And let's see, make sure it'll stick to something metal. Let's try my scissors. It's got a slight, there we go. There we go. Now it's magnetizing. Isn't it pretty? But like I said, you could always use the stand or the string to hang or just display it. I think I might even put it in my my Christmas theme that I put up at Christmas time, which hasn't been put away yet, so he might go really good with that right now. So I will link down below where you can find these items on the Crafting Spark website, and I believe I do have an affiliate link, so if you do end up purchasing from them, I get a small kickback from them, and that does go back into the channel to help keep it running for you guys. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you in my next video. So have fun diamond painting, you guys. And don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.